Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be comparing the antutu benchmark between the Snapdragon 710 from the Realme X, Snapdragon 720G from the POCO M2 Pro, Snapdragon 730G from the POCO X2 device, and Snapdragon 732G and from the POCO X3 smartphone. So all these four smartphones which are there right now here. So I'll be comparing all the antutu benchmark between all this kind of processors 710, 720, 730 and the 732. So let's see how much difference you can actually find between two process here. So let's see how much is the difference from the 710 to actual 732G. So what is the minimum and what is the maximum in this kind of price range. And next, one more thing is that all these four smartphones, they are available for the same kind of mid-range segment range. So that's why I decided to do this kind of comparison to just give a quick idea which processor is the best and which has how much amount of score. So let me try to open one by one antutu benchmark applications, and I've taken the screenshots as well in a few of the smartphones here. So right now here in the POCO X3, I did order my POCO X3 smartphone and I'll be receiving very soon. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Once I get, I'll be doing so many reviews on each and every smartphone. You can see each and every playlist of mobile phones has plenty of videos in each and every playlist, as you can see here. So definitely I'll be uploading so many videos on the POCO X3 smartphone by comparing with other smartphones as well. So in this POCO X3 chart, I got the antutu benchmark score here as well. So first let me start with the Realme X 720 processor, 2,20,000, so which is quite very good considering the mobile got released last year. And for this kind of price range and mid-range segments, I do expect the minimum to be 2 lakhs and maximum it's up to them to decide. So minimum 2,20,000 is a very good deal. And next is a Snapdragon 720G processor, which has a score about 2,48,000. You can see that there is a difference of 20,000 difference between both of the smartphones, so 20,000 to 30,000. So next is the POCO X2, which is a Snapdragon 730G processor, which is of 2,84,000, as you can see here, POCO X2. So there's a difference of 40,000 here. So that's also another good deal. And with the Snapdragon 732G, where the antutu benchmark scored around 3,01,581. So finally, with the Snapdragon 730G, we are finally able to achieve the 3 lakhs benchmark range. Finally, we did achieve this year. So 2020 year, mid-range segment mobile phone got crossed the 3 lakhs benchmark range. But there is a one more also mobile, which is from the Honor 9X Pro, which is a Kirin 810 processor, which is also crossed 3 lakhs, and it's scored I think close to 3,20,000. That it's incredibly good for the Kirin 810 processor. So unfortunately, that phone has got a lot of issues with the Google installation processes, so that's why I did not include that phone here. But overall, this kind of Snapdragon comparison is a very good thing to know which phone is there at which position, which processor is the best one. So now you can decide, friends, for long time usage, if you are really thinking to buy a mobile phone with a good performance. So I know this antutu benchmark is not completely everything says about the performance, but still you can get exactly count and you can get an idea which phone to buy for the long time usage as well. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will be giving you a clear idea which processor to pick up every time before buying the mobile phone. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.